Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we are testing every single ECOGuard mask on Amazon, because apparently somebody bought every single color. I'm not really sure why, but why not? We're here, we got the whole lab set up, we got the cameras rolling. Let's test the purple paste, purple. Let's test the purple masks. All right, get it in the clamp. Stop yapping. Oh, it's a nice purple. It's very light. So they are a U.S. manufacturer that is also claiming. We just tested their black masks, which are pretty nice.
Get a close up. Made in America. It's made in America. So where is it made? America.
Spoiler alert: they did not pass the standards. Many reasons that could happen. Speaking of standards, that's what this machine does. It's an ASTM testing machine. So ECOGuard is a new U.S. manufacturer. They came on the scene during COVID-19. They actually came from China, and they were making presumably masks in China. Took that same standard of practice, brought it here, which is great, especially at the time they did, because we did not have any production at all here in the United States. We did, but it wasn't enough, obviously. And so glad that this exists here. Brand free care? It's weird. And they're purple. There it is. All right, let's look at the box. Box is really cool. We've talked about this before. It's like you could ship this box. It's very strong. I've never seen any other brand do this, and I actually thought about doing it, so it was really cool to see. Not a soft touch though, so this thing. And then they put them in these Ziploc bags, which I've actually seen in China before, and I personally don't like it because anybody can kind of stick their hands in there. I don't know that it's, been secure, but it also is convenient because instead of breaking the bag open, you can reuse it. So you gotta pick a lane, I guess. Let's try this. Oh, that's great! Holy cow. Ow! Ow. That's not gonna break on your face. That's really strong. It's very similar smell to their black masks. It's the kind of like Chinese polypropylene smell that you get a lot with imported masks, although these are not imported masks. So I don't know, I could come up with a smell. You know how hard it is to come up with different names for plastic? Do you? Anyways, it smells a little bit like plastic, which is what we're going to call that smell. Just a little bit like plastic. Got another one. Not today, Satan. All right. But does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's check out what the machine says. And this one did better than the black masks. 96.225, right? That's better, right? Yeah, 96.225. ASTM level 1, the minimum standards in the United States, 95%. We like to see ASTM level 2 or 3, which is 98%. Breathability was 80 pascals, which is great. It's a great breathable mask. Would definitely recommend that. So, I mean, for the price, if you're looking for that certain kind of purple, it's a very faint purple. I might buy this mask. I might do it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you appreciated this. And I will catch you on the next test, which the next test is tomorrow at 10 a.m. We are doing every day, 10 a.m. Central Time, dropping a new test. So I will see you there. But not really, because that's not how video works.